Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
This is the second video of the playlist Planeo versus Corte, and in this video we are going to be focusing a lot on the position of the knee during Corte for the follower.
Okay, let's go to the dance floor, but before that, remember you have to subscribe to the channel so we have more followers, and like if you like the videos.
Let us know in the comments if you are enjoying this playlist and if you want us to do another one.
Please share the video if you like it to all your friends.
Without further ado, let's start with the video. Alright, now we are going to be covering in this second video of this playlist, we are going to be covering the lead for the Corte, Tango Corte. So we are going to show you again. You saw that in the previous video, but in case you didn't, we are going to show you the Corte one more time. 1 and 2 and 3. Up and front ocho to front ocho. Lift. Para pa pam pam. So, what we are doing, I would like to cover a little bit for the leaders. We're going to be talking about the lead, and this is what is happening. We're doing side step 1, front. I'm changing her body weight in order to get to a front ocho. This is the main part. She has to come from a front ocho in order to do the corte. You can come from any place, any steps that you want. Now, at the moment, I will position my foot close to her, not too close. Later, we are going to cover why. When we transfer her body weight, I am going to do two things. Cross behind, and at the same time that I cross behind, I will pull from my left shoulder in a circle. Look. Tuck. So I end up very, very close to her. I will lift, so we keep going up in order for her to cross to the other side. I'm lifting from my rib cage and my forearm. So I'm doing this to lift her. She knows that she's on the other side. And now we can proceed to the front ochos and into a resolution that you already know how to do. So, when we are doing this, let me do it one more time. One of the most common mistakes that happen is this. One is that leader, when we rotate, I will do this, leader will tend to close the hand towards her because you think, okay, I have to bring her foot in. This happened, and it looks like a joke. Yes, like I'm not serious, but that happened a lot. So I will try to bring my hand around in a circle. Let's point it behind your ear. Tuck. Yes? Not too close, not too apart because you will be tilting. Just right, keeping the same position. Now from here, and at that moment, can I rewind for a second? I will lower a little bit so she doesn't have the option to extend with the rotation, and lowering she will not extend the leg. 1, 2. Now, I'm moving my rib cage towards her in order to keep a close embrace. If you are apart with a gap, this is not a corte. She will feel that she has the freedom to go into a forward ocho as she wishes. In order to create a corte, we need to create like a stop in all the points that we can. So look, torso, hip, everything is locking her. She can, even if she wants to go, I'm blocking her. And then from there, we keep going. That'll be the key point of a corte.
As a follower, I'm feeling very clear the chest getting close on my way. It's like a wall. I feel like, oh, I know I have to stop here.
Yes.
So that's when you already are in corte position. And on the previous video, you saw the position of my legs in corte are here. So this is when I feel that chest moving and I know, okay, I have to wait. This is corte, and then I have to wait for the leader to lift so I can go to feet together. But before getting there, there is another lead that I'm feeling from him to go to corte, to assure his corte. So when I transfer weight to the front leg, usually if it's ochos or other figures, it's same level. But in this one, he's very clear on transferring my weight, facing already here, front, like I'm not rotating yet, and lowering. The position is from higher position to lower position. 1 point, upper body angle is still facing kind of front. I'm not rotating. I'm in L position, L, like little L position when I feel this. Plus, there is a little accent on the lid. It's not soft getting there. It's sharper. I feel that. I feel that getting sharper on the front leg, almost like this is the momentum and the timing to get the other leg behind.
I'm sorry, I rushed.
To keep the upper legs together. Tum, tum. Yeah, that's normal speed to get here and pull. So that's normal speed. So followers, don't rush in any of these cases the rotation. Don't rush facing the leader.
Even if you know that the step is coming.
Or different. Because from here, from this same position, we have a lot of possibilities coming. We can go to from ocho, to planeo, to corte, to side step.
Embellishments.
Anything's coming from here. So don't do this. Let me show you this is wrong. Don't do this. Okay, ready for next. Because then you cut all the possibilities of the leader of improvisation. Okay, so also your own possibilities, because there is many things we can do there as a follower or leader. So when I'm here going forward, I'm going to delay, waiting for the next lead, which is lowering. So I know this is corte, then he will rotate, pivot, and I'm in the corte position before arriving. From here, I'm waiting for the lead to extend and walking to resolve. Okay, so don't ever rush anything. Try to be moving like a second after the leader, so you will have more possibilities for this or other figures.
Yes, so if you want to dive deeper in these kind of topics, we have a lot of videos in our online program, which is called Online Tango Training, and is in our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango. You can be part of the program and access to all these courses, or you can purchase them separately as a downloadable course.
Very good, thanks so much. That's it for today, and see you on the next one.
Bye.